Dancehall recording artist Shenseea was involved in a motor vehicle accident. Stick around for the full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so Shenseea was in a motor vehicle accident this morning. From the looks of things, look like nothing too serious. Go on. Me I go know all the details right after we wish Spice a happy birthday, right? Because yesterday was Spice's birthday and, she had a little get-together and me have a little clip from that too where me I go show no. So, me just want to say happy belated birthday to Spice. She had the queen and she had do her thing. And also congratulations on her purchasing a new home in Atlanta. I don't want to see that on our YouTube, or if you don't see it on our YouTube, you can go over to our YouTube channel and you can check it out, right? So let us take a look at the clip of Spice.
So I'm going to start the music. Did everyone say something? Like, I want this party to be lit. And on some serious notes, a few months ago, a lot of people was posting, oh, birthday canceled, this is canceled. We could not be able to even come together. Like even right now, there's still coronavirus going on. We really should be 6 feet apart. So the fact that you're really here and some people are still close together, it really means a lot because it's like you are still risking just to come show that you care. So it means a lot to me. And I just want to remind you guys, do not ever take anything at all for granted. No. I'm really happy to be here tonight. I'm super just joyful to see everybody in this blue wig. And I want y'all to just remember God and just continue to appreciate life itself. Now with that being said, I would like us to pray before we toast because I'm giving God thanks for my life tonight, baby. I would like to pray.
Yeah, Spice, say, Father of everything. So big up Spice again on her birthday, so I say. And, I just more blessing, mama, just more life. So let's move on to Shenseea's story. So this morning there was a post on Pink Wall with the caption that reads that Shenseea, he said it was confirmed that Shenseea was involved in a motor vehicle accident, and it showed this picture that's on the screen right now, right? So, I reposted it and, I check out Shenseea page and never see nothing at all. But from the looks of the picture, we can see nothing crazy happening. You see what I say? Obviously, yes, the car was in a collision, but, which deployed the airbags and it looked like on both sides, on the both driver and passenger side. I don't know who was with her in the motor vehicle at that time, but we can see from this picture that it's not anything crazy like that. So however, after that now Ramesh gave us an update, so I'm gonna tell you what Ramesh say. So Ramesh posts this picture with the caption that reads, "For all who is trying to find out what happened with their artist and friend Shenseea, she's okay. Minor injuries from car accident this morning, but she is a dragon, so she will keep pushing forward and be okay. Just one of them time in life where it seems all is going wrong. But as I say, once there is life, blessings continues." So first thing more for some, just glad that she's okay. So I say, even though she lose her car or it have to go get mechanic or whatever, if the damages can repair, that always can be replaced. But I'm glad that she okay. And we all know that Shenseea just lose her mother. So for something like this to happen on top of that, it just must be just scary for her. You see me? And I just my blessings me have to send over this, so because we can't really we don't really know what got me in life. We just can't live and just prepare for and try to be safe. But things do from time to time, and them say when it rains it pours. So that are going right now, Sometime as somebody else right now I shouldn't say them. Hopefully this is it and nothing more not really happen. Nothing major, I just live still. But like we say, we're glad that she okay. And Ramesh says she good, it doesn't sound like she in a hospital or nothing like that. So just continue all the page, Shenseea, go and protect yourself. So that's it, people. Just get in the comment section, tell us what you feel about this, and if you have any kind of information on this particular video, regarding Shenseea accident, and can give us a little more insight if you know her personally or you're close to the family or whatever, please do so. Other than that, that's it. If it's your first time on this channel and you like the video and you like what we do here, please go ahead and subscribe. For all my long time subscribers, thank you for watching, and big up on yourself. All right.
We got diamond in my VIP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!